Aquaphor, Healing Ointment, Skin Protectant, 14 ounces, 396 grams. Product Overview Description. Clinically proven to restore smooth, healthy skin. Preservative and fragrance-free. Dermatologist recommended advanced therapy for dry, cracked, or irritated skin. Uses. Temporarily protects and helps relieve chapped or cracked skin and lips. Temporarily protects minor cuts, scrapes, burns. Helps protect from the drying effects of wind and cold weather. Suggested use. Directions apply as needed. Other ingredients. Supplement facts. Active ingredient. Purpose. Petrolatum, 41%, skin protectant, ointment. Inactive ingredients. Mineral oil, Ceresin, Lanolin. Alcohol, Panthenol, Glycerin, Bisabolol. Warnings. For external use only. When using this product, do not get into eyes. Stop use and ask a doctor if condition worsens, symptoms last more than 7 days or clear up and occur again within a few days. Do not use on deep or puncture wounds, animal bites, serious burns. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Do not use if inner seal is broken or missing. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.